Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the derivative. So now I will show you the technique how to find first the derivative of this one. So we put about a equals to this one. So we got about ln a equal to ln of this one. And you got about sin x multiplied with ln of cosine x. Now we need to find first the derivative of this one. If we do first the derivative of ln a, you got about first the derivative of a over a equals to, so we will apply about product chain. We will do first the derivative of sin x, so you got about cosine x. Later that we do first the derivative of this one, so you got about sin x multiplied with negative sin x over cosine x. Next, a multiplied with this one. And we know that that should be about this one. And we know that first the derivative of a, that means we find first the derivative of y. So we change this one into like this. And that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.